Hey there, future AI entrepreneurs. Welcome back to AI Cashflow Lab, where we turn cutting-edge tech into cold, hard cash. Today, we're diving into a game-changing opportunity that could revolutionize your income stream. What if I told you that you could earn passive income by helping others land their dream jobs all powered by AI? Sounds too good to be true. Well, stick around because I'm about to blow your mind. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more AI-powered money hacks that'll keep your wallet fat and your brain sharp. Let's face it, folks, the job market is evolving faster than a chameleon on a disco floor. Most career coaches and job seekers are struggling to keep up with the ever-changing landscape of skills, trends, and opportunities. But here's the kicker. What if you could harness the power of AI to automate job market research and career advice, creating a 24/7 money-making machine? That's right, we're talking about turning your computer into a non-stop cash register while you sip pina coladas on the beach. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sure, sounds great, but how did you figure this out? Well, let me take you on a quick trip down memory lane. Not too long ago, I was just like you, trading my precious hours for dollars, stuck in the rat race of traditional career coaching. But then I discovered the magical world of AI tools, and everything changed. I went from hustling for clients to automating my entire business model. And guess what? I'm not the only one. Over 3 million followers have joined the AI Cashflow Lab community, and they're all reaping the benefits of this digital gold rush. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can join this revolution and start building your own AI-powered empire. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. I'm about to lay out a step-by-step system that'll have you raking in the dough faster than you can say artificial intelligence. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Identify high-demand niches in career coaching. We're talking tech jobs, remote work opportunities, resume help, you name it. The key is to find areas where job seekers are desperate for guidance and willing to pay top dollar for expert advice. Step 2. Set up your AI toolkit. This is where the magic happens, folks. We're talking ChatGPT for generating personalized career advice, Jasper for creating killer content, Resume for automated resume reviews, and LinkedIn AI plugins for supercharging your networking game. These tools are your secret weapons in the battle for passive income domination. Step 3. Automate job market insights. This is where you'll really blow your clients' minds. Use AI to track real-time salary trends, identify in-demand skills, and even score resumes based on industry standards. You'll be delivering value that traditional career coaches can only dream of. Step 4. Create scalable digital products. This is where the real money starts rolling in. We're talking AI-powered career coaching chatbots that can handle hundreds of clients simultaneously, automated resume review services that work while you sleep, and online courses that teach job seekers how to leverage AI in their own career hunt. Step 5. Monetize. Baby, set up membership sites, sell digital downloads, offer group coaching sessions, and don't forget to sprinkle in some juicy affiliate links. The beauty of this system is that once it's up and running, it practically prints money on autopilot. Now, I know what you're wondering. What can I really achieve with this system? Well, let me paint you a picture. Imagine waking up to a notification that you've made thousands of dollars while you were catching Z's. Picture yourself helping clients land their dream jobs faster and more efficiently than ever before, all while building a reputation as the go-to expert in AI-powered career coaching. This isn't just about making money, it's about revolutionizing an entire industry and positioning yourself at the forefront of the AI revolution. But don't just take my word for it. Let me introduce you to Sarah, one of our AI Cashflow Lab superstars. Sarah was a struggling career coach working 60-hour weeks just to make ends meet. After implementing our AI system, she's now earning $20,000 a month in passive income while working just 10 hours a week. And then there's Mike, who used our strategies to build a fully automated resume review service that's now generating $50,000 a month. These aren't isolated cases. Folks, our community is full of success stories just like these. Now, I promised you some bonus tips, and I always deliver. Want to attract clients like bees to honey? Leverage SEO, YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest to showcase your AI-powered career coaching services. Create eye-catching content that demonstrates the power of your automated insights. And here's a pro tip. Use AI to automate your client onboarding and support processes. Set up chatbots that can handle frequently asked questions and schedule appointments, freeing up your time to focus on scaling your business. Alright, future AI moguls, are you ready to build your own AI-powered income stream? If you're as excited as I am about this opportunity, smash that like button, drop a comment saying AI Goldmine, and hit subscribe to join our community of forward-thinking entrepreneurs. But wait, there's more! I've put together a free AI career coaching toolkit that'll jumpstart your journey to passive income success. You can find the download link in the description below. Before we wrap up, I've got a little teaser for you. Next, we're diving into 10 untapped AI side hustles for 2025. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. These are cutting-edge opportunities that could put you light years ahead of the competition. Thanks for tuning into another episode of AI Cashflow Lab. We're your next income stream, just an algorithm away. Remember, in the world of AI, the only limit is your imagination. So dream big, automate smart, and let's turn those binary codes into cold, hard cash. Until next time, keep innovating, keep automating, and keep that cash flow flowing.